Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. For today's South Indian meal combo, we have planned this Seppankizhangu, that is Arabi in Hindi or Colocasi fry, and small onion sambar. We'll make a sambar rice out of it, curd rice, and some corn bhajias. And let's see how to go about it. Here I have taken half kg of this Arabi or Colocasi. Pressure cooked it only for one whistle. Now we will just peel the skin and chop it into small pieces. See, this vegetable should not become too soft. So we have peeled it and cut it into pieces. Now add some turmeric powder, salt to taste. This is Kashmiri chili powder and hing. Also 1 teaspoon of rice flour. This will help to make it nice and crispy. Now mix all these well together so that all the masalas are well coated on the arbis. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, a few curry leaves, now add in this boiled Arabi along with this masala and toss everything very well. Just spread it out along the sides of the pan. Using a cast iron kadai is very good when you want to make a fry or a roast with potato or this arbi. Now allow it to just continue cooking till it gets a lovely roasted covering on top. Keep it on a low flame and just turn it around from time to time. Next we will make sambar. Today we are making arachivita sambar, meaning we are going to grind the ingredients and add to the sambar. For grinding the masala, take a spoon of oil in a kadai. Take 2 spoons of coriander seeds or dhania, 1 spoon of chana dal, about 3 dry red chilies, this is the crystal hing. If you don't have crystal, of course you can use powder hing too. This hing gives an awesome flavor to your sambar. Now add about 4 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut and again stir everything together. The dal should be well roasted, that is the main thing. Now take it into your blender jar and grind it into a fine paste. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in the same pan. Add mustard seeds, a few methi seeds, 1 dry red chili, a few curry leaves. Then these are the sambar onions or shallots. Peel them and stir fry the onions for a minute or so. Next, here I have taken 1 lemon sized ball of tamarind and soaked it in 2 cups of water and extracted the juice. Add turmeric powder, salt to taste and allow it all to boil well till the onions are well cooked. See, our Seppankizhangu or arbi is also well fried and lovely roast we have got. We can switch it off now. We will just take it out into a serving bowl. Lovely, crispy, perfectly done Seppankizhangu roast. Now we will We'll check the sambar. See, the onion is also well cooked. Now I am adding in this ground masala paste. Just let it all cook together for another 2 minutes. In my pressure cooker, earlier I had cooked some rice and about 1/3 cup of tur dal. When you make sambar in this way by grinding the masalas, then you don't need much of cooked dal. I am just adding half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now we will add this cooked dal to it and let it all boil and come together once again. Just allow it to come to a boil once more. See, the sambar is boiling well and this is the good consistency. We have already done the tempering right at the beginning. We added the mustard seeds and methi before adding the onions. So all we have to do is just some finely chopped coriander leaves and your Asafoetida sambar is ready. I'll switch it off now. See, I told you I cooked the rice and the dal in the pressure cooker in the beginning. So from the rice I had taken out half the portion, totally 1 cup rice. Half I have taken out for the curd rice. Remaining we will make it into a sambar rice. Taken out the required quantity of rice in a bowl and to this we will add the sambar and mix it well. When you make the sambar rice, don't make it very thick. Let it be a little bit dilute because it will thicken on cooling. Now mix everything well together. And it's also a good idea to just mix it before serving. Otherwise it will keep on absorbing the sambar. Let this be the consistency because by the time you start eating, it will definitely absorb some of the sambar. You don't want the sambar rice to be very dry, so this way it will make it tasty too. So our sambar rice is now ready. The finishing touch, just add a teaspoon of ghee on top of the sambar rice and now it is ready to be served. Next, I have taken the remaining rice in a bowl. We will mix the curd rice. The rice has cooled down now. I am adding some salt. This is fresh homemade curd. Just adding a little bit of butter for additional creaminess and mix it all well. Especially in these hot summers, I like to add some finely chopped cucumber to it. It is very cool and refreshing too. Heat a spoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, jeera, chana dal, a little bit of hing for flavor, some chopped ginger, green chilies. Now add this to your curd rice. Finally top it with some fresh curry leaves and coriander leaves. So your lovely, very cool and refreshing curd rice is also ready. Next we will make an interesting corn bhajia to go with this. Here I have one bowl of fresh sweet corn. 2 sweet corns I have taken out. Small piece of ginger and 2 to 3 green chilies. Crush all these using the pulse mode. Don't add any water. See, we have crushed the corn, green chilies and ginger without adding any water, only on pulse mode. To this add a tablespoon of besan or gram flour, also a tablespoon of rice flour. Here I have one large onion which I have finely chopped. I am adding that too. Add some haldi powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder and a little bit of hing. Now mix all the ingredients well together. Add some salt to taste. I am also adding a few chopped coriander leaves to this. If you feel your batter has become a bit loose, don't worry, add a little more besan, that is gram flour and rice flour, till you get the right consistency, and adjust the salt and chili accordingly. Now our oil is ready and hot. We can just make it like small pakodis in the oil, pinch out small portions like this. After a minute, turn it around gently in the oil till you get lovely golden color. Fry it on a medium flame. First heat the oil very well, then reduce the flame to medium when you start frying. Drain it out. Similarly, make the remaining pakodis also. Our crispy and tasty corn bhajiyas are also ready now. This morning I received a sweet surprise gift from my son, and among other things he had also sent me these lovely Alfonso mangoes for Mother's Day today. So I thought I'll make a simple amrest along with this vegetable. I'm tempted to make amrest. Amrest is nothing, very simple. You just take out the pulp of the mango and squeeze it into a juice. You can blend it in your blender jar, or you can just press it down on a sieve like this. Then you will get lovely pulp and you can throw away this peel. Maybe this was how they made amrest before the days of the mixies and the fruit juices. You can now discard the peel. Depending on how you like it, you can leave it as it is or just add a spoon of powdered sugar and mix it well. Depending on the number of people being served, you can make out individual portions and serve it out like this. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, share the video with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.